Hello and welcome back to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today we're going to be talking about the top 4 crystal healing benefits of working with petrified wood, the stone of wisdom. For those who've been watching my videos, welcome back. And for those who are brand new to the channel, my name is Shannon, and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist, and I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to practice incorporating crystal healing into your everyday life to support your real life situations. Today we're going to be doing that with petrified wood. But if you've been watching my videos and you're not already subscribed, then please do subscribe so you don't miss a single gemstone video. And today's video is just a spectacular gemstone, petrified wood. This is the stone of wisdom. And petrified wood is so beautiful as it does look like a bright, shimmering, shiny piece of wood. And petrified wood is formed over millions of years when the actual wood material is replaced by the minerals it's surrounded by. And petrified wood can be many different colors depending on which minerals it's absorbed. I've seen, light and dark brown, pink, red, orange, black, gray, and pieces that have multi different colors. It's an incredibly beautiful stone, and the types of stones that you get can differ greatly depending on where the petrified wood is found. So you may want to collect pieces from different parts of the world. But petrified wood, how does the stone of wisdom help us? Well, the first benefit of working with petrified wood is that it reduces worrying. This is an ancient gemstone that is deeply connected to the energy of the earth. It used to be a living tree. It grew up from the earth, lived in the earth, potentially for hundreds of years, depending on how old that tree was when it fell, was surrounded by the earth, and took millions of years to petrify. This stone, holding it, is so deeply comforting. It helps us feel calm and still and stable. This gemstone enables us to release worry about the small things or things that we can't change. Those situations in which worrying is just counterproductive. It helps us focus on the important or urgent issues at hand and just set aside those things that don't need our attention right now or don't really need our worry in the first place. The second benefit of working with petrified wood is that this stone helps you find a mentor or a teacher. So if you have been looking for a mentor or teacher in your spiritual path, your career, your studies, this is a stone that will help you attract that wise person into your life to guide you, or help you recognize that there is already a qualified person that you already know and maybe have just overlooked. So if you're doing deep studying, you want a guide, someone to give you feedback on your professional life, your studies, maybe at school, or your spiritual path, then sitting with petrified wood will help you tremendously. There is a saying that when you are ready for a spiritual teacher, then one will arrive. And if you're already considering it, then meditating with petrified wood will help prepare you emotionally and mentally and spiritually for the arrival of that teacher. And then the third benefit of working with petrified wood is that it helps initiate spiritual evolution. If you have been working on a spiritual path or practicing your religious beliefs and you feel like your practice has become stagnant or it's feeling old or like you're blocked in some way, then petrified wood helps to dissolve whatever mental, emotional, or energetic barriers that you have built up that is stopping your progress. If you combine this with finding a mentor, then working with petrified wood helps to accelerate your spiritual development. And it kind of reminds me of the energy of Ganesh, the remover of obstacles. Petrified wood has a very similar energy. It's going to remove the obstacles within your spiritual development. If we hold petrified wood during spiritual classes or teachings and while we're studying, then it helps us absorb the material faster and helps us to understand it a little bit easier, be able to verbalize it, and also feel like we are getting results from our practice. Then the fourth benefit of using petrified wood is that it helps us access past life records and Akashic records. So if you're interested in accessing your past life information, this is a stone that is millions of years old. It has touched so much of the past, and it has stored that historical information, and holding it will help you access your past life historical information. And it also helps with those who are studying Akashic records and accessing those. That's a question I get a lot, and this is definitely a stone that helps with that. This helps to gently give you access to that information bit by bit, so you're not overwhelmed by it, so you can absorb and acknowledge past life lessons. You can bring that wisdom forward from a past life, or help to release attachments that we may have to past issues that are also blocking our spiritual development. Thank you so much for joining me today to talk about petrified wood and this deeply beautiful, calming, and grounding stone that really wants us to feel safe and comfortable and advance our spiritual development. So if you find that petrified wood is a gemstone that you would like to work with more, then in 2 days, I'll be posting a guided meditation with petrified wood. And you don't need a piece of stone of the petrified wood to benefit from the guided meditation. But if anything in this video or the prompts in the guided meditation really feel familiar to you or trigger you, then that's a sign you should get some petrified wood and work with it some more. And you may want to check my online crystal healing store to see if I have petrified wood in the store right now. Like, I did tumble this piece myself. I tumbled a batch of petrified wood, so it could be in the store right now. And I'll link that in the eye above. So if you're new to the channel and you're really interested in learning about a wide variety of crystals and gemstones and how they can help you, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again during the guided meditation.